Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever designed something amazing in Canva and wanted to download it in crystal clear quality, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to save your Canva design as a PNG file, step by step, using the latest 2025 Canva interface. Whether you're creating social media posts, thumbnails, or print materials, this quick guide will make sure your designs always look sharp and professional. Let's jump right in. First, open the Canva design you want to save. It could be anything, a poster, a logo, or a YouTube thumbnail. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a share button. Go ahead and click it. Now, from this share menu, click on download. This is where all the magic happens. Canva will open a small pop-up window showing different file types you can export. Here's the key part. Under file type, click the drop-down and select PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics, and it's the best choice if you want high quality images with clear details and transparent backgrounds. If you want your image to have a transparent background, for example, for a logo or overlay, make sure to tick the transparent background option. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for Canva Pro users, but it's super useful if you want that clean cutout look. Next, you'll see an option called size. By default, it's set to 100%, but you can increase it up to 200% or more for extra sharp images. Perfect if you're printing or using your design in larger formats. Once you're happy with your settings, click Download. Canva will process your design for a few seconds and then automatically save it as a PNG file to your computer. And that's it. You've just saved your Canva design as a high-quality PNG. Now you can upload it anywhere, social media, websites, or even print without losing clarity. Before you go, here's a quick tip. If you're downloading multiple pages or slides, you can select which pages you want by clicking Select Pages right before downloading. That way, you can export just the ones you need instead of the whole project. So there you have it, the full 2025 guide to saving your Canva designs as PNG files. Simple, fast, and professional. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva and design tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.